Right now things are pretty quiet, and I think in the short term it's going to stay that way, at least for the next 7 or 10 days. Overall, the hurricane season has been off to a fairly quiet start. We had the one headline storm, of course. We had Beryl, but there have only been 3 named storms so far: Alberto, Beryl, and Chris. This tropical storm lasted for about 12 hours, literally, and then it came on shore. Next name on the list is Debbie, but now that Beryl is out of the Gulf of Mexico, things are pretty quiet down there, so it should stay that way for a while. Same thing on the southeast coast. There's a little cluster of thunderstorms right there, but the Hurricane Center doesn't seem too concerned about that. If we take the even wider view across the Atlantic, this is where Beryl formed in the first place. There's not a whole lot happening here, and we don't expect it to be in the next 7 to 10 days, and it's because there's a whole lot of dust coming off the African continent. This is Africa over here, and off of the Sahara, a lot of that sand and dust gets blown across the Atlantic and into the Caribbean, and whenever you see something like that, it has a tendency to suppress tropical activity. It kind of puts a damper or a lid on the whole thing, and that should stay in place for a while. So I think in the short term, we're not going to have any big hurricanes to be talking about. That doesn't mean the rest of the season isn't going to be busy, but in the short term, a little bit of good news.